In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DNS settings in Windows 11. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by opening your network settings. Click the Start menu on your taskbar, then select Settings. Inside the Settings window, look at the left panel and click Network and Internet. Next, click Wi-Fi to open your wireless network settings. You'll now see the Wi-Fi connection you're currently using. Click on that connection to open its details page. Scroll down and click Hardware Properties. This section contains advanced information and configuration options for your network connection. Now look for the setting labeled DNS Server Assignment. Once you find it, click the Edit button beside it. A small window will appear. At the top, change the setting from automatic to manual. After switching to manual mode, turn on the option for IPv4. This allows you to enter custom DNS server addresses. Click inside the preferred DNS field and carefully type 8.8.8.8. This is Google's primary public DNS server. Next, click inside the alternate DNS field and type 8.8.4.4. This is Google's secondary public DNS server. Take a moment to double check the numbers before continuing to make sure they were entered correctly. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Windows will now refresh your network settings. Wait a few seconds while the new DNS configuration is applied to your connection. After the refresh completes, open your web browser and test a few websites. This helps confirm that your internet connection is working properly with the new DNS settings. These DNS addresses are public Google DNS servers and can improve browsing speed, connection reliability, and overall network performance on Windows 11. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.